Google's intelligence finally has a physical body. Meet the Gemini-Bot.
No humans, no errors, just the world's knowledge inside a machine.
Welcome back to Future FactoryX. Let's build the ultimate AI assistant.
It begins with raw minerals, the foundation of a digital god.
Molecular forging. We turn raw earth into high-performance intelligence.
Growing the foundation. A structure designed for perfect human-like balance. Cryogenic tempering. Forging a skeleton that never breaks under pressure. Conductive joints. Every movement fueled by instantaneous energy transfer.
Synthetic ligaments, stronger than steel, flexible as a human muscle.
Precision ventilation, keeping the AI core cool during heavy processing.
Structural verification, 100%. The skeleton is ready for its soul. A mark of brilliance, the signature of the new era.
Decontamination complete. A sterile body for a flawless mind.
Chassis certified. Next, we install the world's most powerful brain. The Gemini Core. A billion years of evolution in one chip.
Installing the consciousness. This is where the machine begins to think.
Active. Data flowing at 5 times the speed of light.
Liquid helium cooling. Keeping the quantum brain at absolute zero.
The information highway. Connecting the core to every future limb.
Sealing the intellect. Protected from radiation, heat, and impact. Uploading the knowledge graph. Every fact ever recorded, now in one head.
The AI is learning. Mastering every language in a single breath.
Regulating the pulse. Powering the intelligence with zero waste.
Energy link. Live. The brain is now self-powered and conscious.
Checking every synapse. Perfection is the only standard.
Autonomous inspectors. Ensuring the future of AI is flawless.
Systems stable. The mind and body are now synchronized.
Brain Bay. Locked. The intelligence is safe inside its vault. Intelligence active. Next, we give the Guardian its eyes.
Google Vision. Seeing the world in 8K resolution across all spectrums.
True depth perception. Mapping reality in 3 dimensions in real time.
The face of Gemini. A seamless interface between data and reality.
The hands. 11 degrees of freedom for human-level precision. The sense of touch. Feeling the difference between silk and steel.
Integration complete. The tools of creation are now attached. Dexterity test. Passed. Mastering tasks from coding to surgery.
Acoustic awareness. Listening to the world in 30 different languages.
The voice of Gemini. Communicating with a calm, natural digital tone. Motor check, 100%. Precision that exceeds any human capability.
Visual awakening. The Gemini-Bot is looking at the world. Crystal clarity. 1 billion pixels through the eyes of AI.
Sensors, online. The Guardian is now fully aware.
Final assembly check. Every sensor is in its perfect place. Senses active. Next, we give the machine its energy. First steps. Translating digital code into fluid, human-like motion.
Balance test. Recalculating weight distribution in a millisecond.
Terrain adaptability. Navigating the world as easily as a human.
Precision control. Handling fragile objects with absolute robotic care. Versatile labor. Mastering every tool in the modern factory. Collective movement. The fleet is synchronized and ready.
Logic verified. The Gemini intelligence is ready for deployment.
The tethers are gone. Gemini-Bot is now truly autonomous.
Coexistence. A machine designed to work alongside humanity.
Final health check. Systems, 100%. Efficiency, absolute.
Future FactoryX. Power that never tires or fails. Final polish. Perfection in every single pixel of reality. Moving to deployment. The future is finally walking. The machine is ready. Are you?
Testing complete. Time to ship the revolution.
The energy core. Powering the mission for 48 hours straight.
Core integrated. The heart of the Gemini-Bot is now beating. Power link established. Energy flowing to every limb instantly.
Total safety. A power source protected from any external threat. The armor. Lightweight, durable, and designed for elegance.
Dressing the machine. The silhouette of the future is born.
Seamless protection. No gaps, no weaknesses, just pure engineering.
Final seal. The internal intelligence is now fully armored.
Indestructible finish. Built to outlast the cities of today.
The mark of quality. A name that defines the AI era.
Durability test. Nominal. Ready for any environment on Earth.
Final skin scan. 0 flaws. Total aesthetic perfection.
The robot is breathing. Gemini-Bot is fully assembled. First stand. A giant wakes from its digital sleep.
Assembly complete. Now, we teach the machine to move.
Premium treatment. Every unit is a masterpiece of AI engineering. Infinite energy. Charging for the next century of work.
Individual identity. Every bot is tracked by the hive.
Sealed for the journey. Protection until the grand reveal.
Authenticity guaranteed. Only from the Future FactoryX.
Next stop, reality. The Gemini era has arrived. A legion of intelligence, built to change the world.
Autonomous transport. The circle of AI is now complete.
Robots drilling robot. This is the new industrial standard.
Out of the forge. Into the hands of humanity.
The first touch. The machine meets its human mission.
Activation. The world will never be the same again.
Future FactoryX. Power, precision, perfection. Human error eliminated.
Don't be left behind. Subscribe to Future FactoryX. Future Factory Online. Sustaining the planet. AI-driven precision in every harvest. Exploring the depths. Where humans fail, Gemini thrives. Building beyond Earth. The architects of the stars.
Universal education. Knowledge shared at the speed of thought.
Fearless protection, saving lives with zero hesitation. The new global workforce, tireless, loyal, and efficient.
Harmony. A partnership between soul and silicone. Dreams of the future. The machine is always learning.
The heart of progress, building the impossible every day.
A planet connected. A world transformed by AI. Infinite potential. This is only the beginning.
Future FactoryX. Precision. Power. Perfection.
Next project, the Interstellar Voyager. Stay tuned.
Join the evolution. Future FactoryX.
Online.